Okay, let's go ahead and check your work. See how we did with the problem solving. On number 7, you have your math on the spot video right here. So make sure that you watch that video to see how this one was done. I will not be doing this one for you. That one you'll need to make sure you watch the video. Okie doke. So here we go. It says for 6 and 7, use the table. That's our table, our frequency table. So let's write about some math. Baseball cards of a famous player are sold at auctions. At an auction, people call out bids. A bid is the price they would pay for an item. In which year do you think the fewest cards for that baseball player were available? So given what we know, the fewer the cards, the higher the price. The more cards you have, the lower the price. Which card or which year do you think the fewest cards for a baseball player are available? Well, this is my highest price. So I'm going to say 1951. And I need to explain that. I think 1951 had the fewest cards because, this is the explain part, it is the highest price, or it has the highest bid. Okay? You are going to do number 7 with the math on the spot. We're going to skip down to number 8. It says Leah will sell her headbands at a yard sale. She has 14 blue, 4 black, and 19 red headbands. That's a lot of headbands. How should Leah price her headbands if she prices them based on availability of resources? Assign a price to each color, then justify your answer. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 types of headbands, blue, black, and red. So let's go with blue, black, and red. How much should I charge for the blue ones? Let's step up. Let's go backwards a step. Which one do I have the most of? Well, I have the most of the red headbands. There's 19 of them. So this is most. Which one do I have the least of? The black headband. There's only 4. And then the blue is somewhere in the middle. So let's say that I charge $1 for the red headbands. How much should I charge for the blue ones since they're in the middle? I have quite a few of them. What if I charge $2 for the blue ones? And then how much should I charge for the black ones since there's only 4 out of 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 headbands. There's only 4 black ones out of 27 headbands. How much should I charge for the black one? Let's say we're going to charge $4 for the black one. So now we need to justify our prices. Why did we do that? Well, the red, I'm only charging $1 because I have, let's use our vocabulary. This is the largest supply of our resource. Okay, so it's going to be the least expensive. Why am I charging $2 for the blue? There are fewer blue than red headbands. Why am I charging the most for the black? They're the smallest supply of our resource. Make sense? If your answers are similar to this, awesome. If you forgot to use the word resource or supply, see if you can fit it in there somewhere. That would be great. So this is how I would do it. And it's okay if your numbers are different from mine, as long as red is the least, black is the most, and blue is somewhere in between the two. So let's look at number 9. How much money will Leah earn if she sells all of her headbands at your prices? Ooh, okay. So I have, how many blue? 14 blue at $2 a piece. 14 times 2, right? 14 headbands. Let me do this the right way. 14 headbands at $2 each. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So that's $28. How many black headbands? 4 of them at $4 a piece. So 4 headbands at $4 a piece equals $16. And then I have red headbands, 19 of them. 19 times $1 equals $19. Now I need to go ahead and add all of that up. I'm going to move this up here. So that I have my bottom space for adding. So I have $28 plus $19 plus $16. I need to add all of that up. And yours is going to be different, but I wanted to show you my process. Why did I multiply it by 2? Well, I had 14 headbands at $2. Why did I multiply 19 times 1? 19 headbands at $1. Why did I multiply times 4? 4 headbands at $4 a piece. I take all of my totals and then I add them up to get my answer. 8 and 9 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She would make, Leah would make $63 if she sold all of her headbands. All right, guys, I'm hoping this makes sense. Remember, the smaller or fewer you have of a resource, the more expensive they are. The more you have a resource, the less expensive they are. Fewer resources, more money. More resources, less money. They're opposites. Okay. If you run into any questions, have any concerns, please make sure you get a hold of me. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy your math today.